Hey everyone, my name's T, a community manager here on Velora.tv. Today I'm excited to showcase that LumiaStream has an official native integration with Velora.tv. To get started, you would need to download LumiaStream from their official website. If you go to LumiaStream.com, click download for free, then depending on your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you press this button and a exe, a image file, or a app image file will be downloaded depending on your operating system of choice. Once you have installed Lumia, you would need to open it. I have it right here. You would need to create a LumiaStream account. Once you have done that and open up the application and sign in through the application, you'll be presented with this window. I'm going to close this. And here is LumiaStream. To find our Velora integration with LumiaStream, you would need to head to your settings. You can find it on the left-hand side menu of LumiaStream. Then go to Plugins. Before I continue, make sure that your LumiaStream application is updated to 9.0, as that's where you'll find the Velora integration. You no longer have to use the beta version of LumiaStream. Let me close that. In the search box, I'm going to find or type in Velora. And here we are. This is our official integration with LumiaStream. To get Velora.tv integrated into your Lumia account, you need to click the install button to the plugin right here. This window will open. From then, you would need to click Authorize Velora. A separate window in your browser will open. Read what it needs from you, then click Authorize. Your browser will prompt you to open the link outside of the browser. Click Open Link, and LumiaStream will automatically open. And you may have noticed that the access token, as well as the refresh token, is already filled in. Once everything looks good, hit Activate. And now, Velora.tv is officially connected to LumiaStream. I'm going to collapse the settings menu and head over to Alerts. And there, I can see a Velora entry. You can get Lumia to alert you of channel point redemptions, follower, gifted sub, raid, when you end your stream, when you start your stream, when someone subscribes, and when someone donates votes. This is an awesome piece of news for everyone that uses Lumia and streams on Velora.tv, as you can now use LumiaStream officially on your Velora.tv streams. Should you have any issues using Lumia as well as Velora.tv, make sure to first join the LumiaStream Discord server to get help there, as well as join the Velora.tv official Discord server. Please do subscribe to the official Velora YouTube channel, where more tutorials, how-tos, and showcase videos are to be expected. See you next time.